and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. This is tip and tricks number 8, and this one is based around a light pad. So many people use a light pad for diamond painting. It's quite often one of the first sort of tools that you might decide to invest in if you are really enjoying diamond painting and want to keep up with it. And that is because it will light your canvas from underneath, which can make the symbols a lot easier to see, especially in an evening when it starts to go darker. Now, there are different versions of light pads. I do have a couple that are battery, so they charge, but then you can use them wirelessly. There are also some that have a power connector coming out of the side of your light pad that you then plug the power into. But the most common one that's out there is one that has the charger in the end. Now, these are extremely thin, as you can see. It's pretty much the depth of the charger. Now, I have lost 2 light pads due to this charging connector. One of them did last over a year, but it did eventually, because of taking the charger port in and out, it did eventually loosen over the course of about a year. I got a replacement, and then the second one, I don't think it even lasted a month. And that was because somebody tripped over the cable, which was plugged into my light pad, which yanked the cable and pulled out completely the little micro USB charging socket in the end. Following that, I looked into options for that a little bit more. And this is something that I came across and has been amazing since. It is a magnetic charger. Now, the one I got came with about 5 different pieces. I'm not sure where the other connectors are. They were all different ones. So it came with an iPhone connector, a lightning connector, came with this micro USB connector. I think it may have come with a micro connector as well. They are available on Amazon. You just need to look for a magnetic charging wire. You can get some that just come with one tip. You can get some that come with multiples. The purpose is, for me, I only needed the micro USB. And you pop the micro USB into the charging socket. So all you have then on the end is this dome. And then you get your wire, which comes with USB one end, which of course goes into your plug. And then you just have a connector that just magnetically connects itself to your charging port and gives you power. However, if somebody pulls this or trips it, it just turns off. And then you can pop it back. So it doesn't matter whether you knock it, one of the kids knocks it, which is what happened with me, doesn't have the whole wear and tear. So when you finish for the evening, so quite often I'd have it on the table with my diamond painting. I'd be doing it and I'd be like, oh, okay, I'm done for the night. I'd just hit it like that. Because it disconnects and then reconnects, it would turn it off. So that would turn it off. And then I would have to press the button to turn it back on. You can also, of course, just take it off when you're done charging. You could get multiple charging tips. So you could move the charger from your light pad to your phone and use the same charger for multiple things. But this will save the life of your light pad and give you, probably its full usage rather than having to replace due to damage, because that is the main reason that a light pad like this, built like this, is likely to get damaged, is the charging port, more than it's stopping working in any other way. So have a nosy on Amazon. Magnetic charger may even help with phones and stuff, though a lot of phones have now gone to the Type-C charger, which is a little bit, it's a little bit stronger. the micro USB is quite a weak fitting in the way it is, but that is what most Lightpads are now. Some will go to Type-C, but if you want to extend the life of your Lightpad, get yourself a magnetic charger. It is a game changer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.